Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the wonders of nature and explore the amazing benefits it provides us. Today, we're diving into the golden world of honey to unveil 10 incredible benefits that this natural sweetener has to offer. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's embark on this honey-filled adventure. Number 1. Powerful antioxidant. Honey is packed with flavonoids and other antioxidants. Honey helps protect our bodies from harmful free radicals and supports overall health and well-being. So not only does honey satisfy our sweet tooth, but it also nourishes our bodies from within. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy and sweetener, but its benefits extend far beyond its delicious taste. Antioxidants fights free radicals that are molecules causing damages to the cells. Free radicals are associated with various health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and premature aging. By consuming honey regularly, we can boost our antioxidant intake and enhance our body's defense mechanisms against these harmful molecules. Number 2. Boosts immune system. Thanks to its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, raw honey can help fight off infections and strengthen our body's defenses. It's like a superhero in a jar, ready to ward off those pesky germs. Honey has natural antimicrobial properties that make it an effective ally in the battle against bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. Studies have shown that honey can inhibit the growth of various types of bacteria. Number 3. Soothes sore throat. The natural texture of honey coats the throat, providing relief from irritation and soothing coughs. It's nature's delicious and comforting cough syrup. If you've ever experienced a sore throat or a persistent cough, you know how uncomfortable and bothersome it can be. Luckily, honey can come to the rescue. The thick and syrupy consistency of honey creates a soothing barrier that coats the throat, reducing irritation and relieving coughing. Its natural properties can calm inflamed tissues and provide temporary relief from the symptoms of respiratory infections. Number 4. Wound healing. Its antibacterial properties not only prevent infection, but also help in the healing process of wounds, cuts, and burns. So next time you have a boo-boo, reach for the honey instead of the Band-Aids. Throughout history, honey has been used as a natural remedy for treating wounds and promoting their healing. Honey possesses potent antibacterial properties that can prevent the growth of bacteria in wounds, reducing the risk of infection. Moreover, honey creates a protective barrier over the wound, keeping it moist and promoting faster tissue regeneration. Its high sugar content also draws moisture from the surrounding tissues, inhibiting the growth of bacteria. So whether it's a minor cut or a burn, applying honey to the affected area can aid in the healing process. Number 5. Aids digestion. Honey contains enzymes that assist in breaking down food and improving nutrient absorption, making it a natural remedy for indigestion and an upset stomach. It's like having a personal digestive coach in your pantry. Digestive issues can put a damper on our day and make us feel uncomfortable. Thankfully, honey can help alleviate these woes. Honey contains enzymes like diastase, amylase, and invertase, which aid in the digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and sugars. These enzymes work alongside our body's own digestive enzymes to break down food more efficiently, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Additionally, honey can help soothe an upset stomach and reduce symptoms of indigestion such as bloating and heartburn. Number 6. Boosts energy levels. The natural sugars in honey provide a quick source of energy, making it a perfect natural alternative to refined sugar or energy drinks. So, forget the energy crashes and reach for nature's energizing elixir. When we need an energy boost, honey is a natural and wholesome choice. The carbohydrates in honey, primarily in the form of glucose and fructose, are easily digested and absorbed by our bodies, providing a quick source of fuel. Unlike refined sugars or artificial energy drinks that can cause energy crashes, honey releases its energy steadily, keeping us energized and focused for longer periods. It's a natural way to power through our day without the unwanted sugar crashes. Number 7. Better sleep. Struggling with a restless night's sleep? Honey might just be the sweet solution you've been looking for. Honey helps increase the production and release of serotonin in our bodies. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating sleep, mood, and overall well-being. By consuming honey before bed, we can naturally stimulate the release of serotonin, promoting a calm and relaxed state of mind that enhances sleep quality. Number 8. Supports heart health. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in honey help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. It's time to let honey sweeten not just our taste buds, but also our hearts. Keeping our hearts healthy is crucial for overall well-being, and honey can play a part in that. The antioxidants found in honey, such as phenols and flavonoids, have been linked to cardiovascular benefits. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and the buildup of plaque in the arteries, all of which contribute to heart disease. Consuming honey as part of a balanced diet can help support heart health and lower the risk of cardiovascular problems. Number 9. Skin moisturizer. Honey has humectant properties that help retain moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and soft. It can also be used as a face mask for a natural glow. Who needs expensive beauty products when you have honey in your kitchen? When it comes to skincare, sometimes the best solutions can be found in our own pantry. Honey has incredible moisturizing properties that can work wonders for our skin. Its humectant properties enable honey to attract and retain moisture, preventing dryness and promoting hydration. By applying honey topically, it forms a protective barrier on the skin, sealing in moisture and keeping it supple and soft. Number 10. Source of vitamins and minerals. It contains a variety of essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, iron, and potassium, which contribute to overall health and vitality. Not only is honey delicious and versatile, but it also packs a nutritional punch. Honey contains an array of vitamins and minerals that are essential for our well-being. Vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties, can be found in honey, along with other important nutrients like calcium, iron, and potassium. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining healthy bones, supporting energy production, and regulating blood pressure. Incorporating honey into your diet allows you to enjoy its sweet taste while reaping the benefits of its nutritional value. And there you have it, folks. 10 amazing benefits of honey. From its antioxidant properties to its soothing effects, honey truly is a gift from nature. Remember, always choose raw, unprocessed honey for maximum health benefits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the natural world. And as always, stay sweet and embrace the wonders of honey in your life.